to get cleaned and get repaired. And it's been 25 years since he's been cleaned, ever. And this is the first time that I'm getting him back. So I'm just shooting this video. And oh my God, he is as good as new. Oh my God, look, a little tipsy whipsy. Oh, it's so good to have him back. So that's my story. And this is my teddy bear. And I can't live without him. He's the best and he looks great. Really great. Amazing job. Amazing job. So thank you. It is the simple things and the kind things that people do with their passion and with their work to make other people's lives just a little bit better. And to get clean